there! Welcome to our Friends Club, and let's discover the nature together. Today I have an idea to go bird watching. Do you know that in Britain it's become very popular outdoor activity? Our friends that you know very well, Kathleen and Leslie, often take their binoculars and go far away to have a chance to watch a rare bird. A special address was published in Britain where you can look up different information about birds. And look here, it's very cold today because in Russia it's winter, but these wild ducks are not afraid of winter. Oh, they are beautiful. I can come very close to them. We can watch them. Fantastic. They got used to live with people, but I wonder what they can find to eat under the snow. Do you know? I don't. Look, they make special atmosphere. Really, they're beautiful. This is an old Russian town. It is called Torzhok. There are many old buildings here. You can find an excursion, online excursion, on our channel. And it will be great if you send us your shorts with animals and birds. See you on our channel and have a good day. Bye bye.